guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about integers part 1 basics. So integers, and this is part 1. As I announced, this is actually integers part 1 because integers is a simple topic but very interesting. So to make it more interesting and fun to learn, I have split them into two parts where in part 1 we are going to learn some basics, and in part 2 we are going to do some operations. So let's first begin with part 1 basics. So yeah guys, before we begin, I just want to show you guys what we are going to learn in today's video. So today we are going to learn integers, what are integers, then classification of integers, types of integers, number line, then whole numbers, positive number, negative number. So yeah guys, this is going to be a very fun video, I hope. Yeah, so now let's continue with our video. What is integers? So integers are the numbers which can be positive, negative or zero but cannot be a fraction. So that's true. So you can say like there's nothing called minus 0 because there's nothing minus 0 because it's like it won't come. Okay, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so that is it's like negative numbers, but 1, 2, that is like positive numbers. So the natural numbers are actually positive numbers, you can say like that. Now let's just look at a image which shows an integer. What does an integer mean? So as you can see on your screen, that what does negative number mean? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Non-negative is 0, 6, 7, 8, 9. Positive is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0 is all by itself. So now let's look at classification of integers. So as you can see on your screen, that integers has been split to negative and whole numbers. So the whole number is being split into 0 and natural numbers. So you know that 1, 2, 3 after 0, that's what is whole numbers. They are not like minus. So yeah. Now let's learn types of integers. So now we are going to learn some main stuff in integers, something like types of integers. So now let's begin with 0, positive numbers or natural numbers. As you can see, there's some back brackets which show natural numbers. Then negative numbers, additive inverse of natural numbers. So yeah, it's like integers can be either positive or negative. It's like 0 is the starting number for both. It's like 0 is the middle and the left side of the 0 is negative numbers, but the right side of the 0 is positive or natural numbers. So now let's look at a very important topic in integers, which is actually number line. So a number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented in horizontal way. As you can see on your screen, that say minus 6, so it will keep on going, so till infinite it will be going infinity. So now let's look at a similar topic called whole number. So yeah, as we saw in the types of integers or classification, classification of integers, whole number is a full number with no point or negative, or I can say like no point, no negative. So minus is there, minus 1, they are not a whole number, but after the 0 they are all whole numbers. So now let's look at the most important parts. So which represent the most important parts, I mean to say, is positive numbers and negative numbers. So now let's look at the first of the category, which is positive number. So positive numbers are represented to the right of the 0 on the number line. Example is 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see on your screen that 0 to the right of the 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's move on to negative numbers. So yeah. So a negative number is a number lesser than 0. As you can see that the left side of 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So these are some examples. Yeah, by the way, both the positive and the negative will go to infinite. Okay guys. There's no definite point, so they are going to infinite. I mean, we can put till we can itself stop it, but if you don't stop it, it'll be going on infinite. So yeah, guys, this is integers part 1, and I'm your host Shreyas are signing off. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.